After manufacturing of your chip, you may see manufacturing defaults. The chip can fail in two ways. One is the design. If the design is not correct, you may not get the intended output. And one more is the fabrication failures. Sometimes fabrications may not be happened as expected. To know the manufacturing default after fabrication, we need to insert some logic, that is called DFT logic. We have separate group. So we should insert that logic on the gate level netlist. After inserting this DFT logic, we call it as a post DFT gate level netlist. After inserting this DFT logic, we need to run for the LEC, logic equivalence check. It is functionality verification. After converting this RTL and after inserting this DFT, make sure we should not lose our functionality. To verify the functionality, what we need to do? We should run the logic equivalence check. Once the logic LEC passes, then that will go to the physical design. Your post DFT netlist, LEC clean netlist, is input to the next stages. Nothing but your physical design.